Good evening, friends. Good evening, friends. Now we are discussing about the PCA, Principal Component Analysis. Principal Component Analysis is the statically process that converts the observation of the correlated features into a set of linearly uncorrelated features with the help of orthogonal transformation. These are few transform feature is called principal components. This is one of the most popular tools that have used the exploratory data analysis and predictive modeling. PCA works considering the variation of the tribute. Because of high tribute shows the good split between the class and helps to reduce the dimensionality. Some real world applications of PCA image processing, movie recommendation system, optimizing the power allocation in the various communication channels. Backward feature elimination. Backward feature elimination is technique mainly used in the development of the linear regression or logistic regression model. These are the 4 steps are performed with the technique reduce the dimensionality or feature selection. First step. This is the technique. Firstly, all the n values of the given data set are taken as the train of the model. Second, the performance of the model is checked. Now, third step, we will remove the one feature each time and train the model on the one features of the n time, and we will compute the performance of the model. Fourth step, we will check the variable that he had made the smallest or no change in the performance of the model, and then we will drop the variable or features. After that, we will be left with n-1 features. Step number 5, repeat the complete process until no features can be dropped. In this technique, by the selection the optimal performance of the model and the maximum tolerable error rate, we can define the optimal number of the feature required the machine learning algorithm. Forward feature selection. Forward feature algorithm is the inverse process of the backward elimination process. It means the technique we don't eliminate the features. Instead, we will find the best feature that can produce the highest increase of performance of the model. There are the 4 steps of technique. Okay, first step, we start with the single feature only, and progressively we will add each features at the time. Second step, here we will train the model on the each features separately. Third step, the feature will be the further will be the best performance selected. The process will be repeated until we will get the significant increase in the performance of the model. Then the missing value ratio is if a data set have the too many missing values, then we will drop those variable. They do not have carrying much useful information. To perform this, we can set the threshold value level, and if a variable have missing more than the threshold, we will drop that variable. The higher the threshold value, the more efficiently the reduction. Low variance filter. As same as a missing value ratio technique, the data columns with some changes in the data having less information. Therefore, we need to calculate the variance of each variable, and all data column with the variance lower than the given threshold are dropped because low variance feature will not be affected the target variable. High correlation filter. High correlation filter refers to the case when will two variables carrying approximately similar information. Due to this factor, the performance of the model can degraded. The correlation between independent numerical value given the calculate value of the correlation coefficient. If this value is higher than the threshold value, we can remove one of the variable from the data set. We can consider those value or features that show in the higher correlation with the largest variable. Then we are discussing about random forest. Random forest is the popular and very useful to feature the selection algorithm in machine learning. Algorithm contain in the build feature important packages, so we do not need to program it separately. In this technique, we need to generate the large set of trace against the target variable, and with the help of each other statically of each attribute, we need to find the subset of the features. A random forest algorithm take only numerical value, so we need to convert input data into numerical, use hard encoded. Factor analysis. Factor analysis is the technique in which each variable kept within a group according to the correlation with the other variables. It means variable within the group can have a high correlation between themselves, but they have to no correlation with the variable other groups. We can understood it by an example such we have two variable income and spend. Okay, these two variable have high correlation, which mean people with a high income spend more, and vice. So when the variable are put into a group, and the group is called as factor. The number of the factor will be reduced as the compared to the original dimension of the data set. Auto encoded. One of the most method dimensionality reducing of the auto encoded with the types of ANN or artificial neural networks, and its a main aim to is copy the input to their output. In this input are compressed to the latest space representation, and output is occurred using representation. It only two parts are there: encoded and decoded. Encoded, the function encoded compress the input data to latest space representation. Decoded, the function decoded is the recreate the output from the latest space representation. Okay, up to this stop here. We will see in next video.